Kung after that, parang mas naging sharp yung vision mo for a second, that means your eyes are dry, not weak. And yes, kahit naka-anti-rad ka, most people think blue light filters automatic comfort. Pero hindi yon magic shield. Kaya minsan, kahit may anti-radiation lens ka, pagod ka pa rin. Ito yung tatlong dahilan bakit nangyayari yan. 1. Low blink rate. Pag nakatutok ka sa screen, hindi mo namamalayan bumababa ang blinking mo to half. Kaya nagda-dry yung tear film mo. Number 2. Screen distance is too close. Kapag sobrang lapit, the ciliary muscles hold tension constantly. Kaya nag-burn out. Number 3. Poor lens coating quality. Maraming murang anti-radiation coatings. Placebo lang. Kaya nakatint lang siya pero hindi talaga na-optimize for digital strain. Sa Bukad Vision and Smile Rehab, we don't push anti-radiation. As a trend, we customize based on your screen behavior. So kung mas pagod ang mata mo after work kesa sa pagpasok mo, DM comfort, your eyes don't need hype, they need proper optics. Bukad